Okay, so what we want to try and do here is we're going to install Storefront theme, and we're going to install a WooCommerce plugin so that we can build. We have the tools to build a an e-commerce website. This is the site as it currently looks. Oh no, that's not that. Let me hit student 25. Don't know why it's not there. I'm just going to. This is the site as it student currently looks. Went right up. I think it's got just a standard kind of theme there. Hello world, the usual stuff that I think folks are used to seeing when we start off with our blank slate. Now that theme you're looking at was a 2020 theme. So here is a storefront theme. If we wanted to add a new theme, the first thing I'm going to do, um, you can search for storefront, and I'm picking this one because it's an e-commerce theme, which is kind of like a suit of clothes you put on or a new dress you put on. It gives your appearance. This is the storefront one right here, and I'm going to activate this one. There's lots of them. See all these different ones here? These are all for their storefronts for retail shops and all kinds of different stores. But I'm going to pick this one because this is the one that um, WordPress and WooCommerce, this is the one that they test when they do new updates um, to WordPress. This is the theme that they test those updates on. So we know that this theme is always good and we won't have conflicts with plugins and things won't break. So it's a really good, steady, solid, dependable e-commerce theme. So we have installed that. Let me just see. Now, also, I want to install a plugin. Now, I could go here and add a new plugin, but because I've gone storefront, it's obviously giving me an option here to install WooCommerce, which is a plugin. A storefront theme and a WooCommerce plugin are a really nice one-two punch to give you the tools to build your e-commerce website. So I'm just going to install the WooCommerce plugin. Again, I could have went down here to plugins and added a new plugin. I just went searching for it and did the usual install and activate from there. So I'm just going to let this install here. When it finally does install, we should see some what I would call administrative buttons appear, administrative navigation. The WooCommerce plugin will give you a shopping cart, and it gives you a checkout facility, all these different elements that you need for e-commerce. So you don't have to go build all this stuff with highly technical knowledge. A lot of smart people have already done all that hard work for you. All you got to do is install the plugin, and you've got the tools there. Now, part of the reason I'm making the video is because it's probably going to ask us a few questions, like, what type of business are you in? Like, are you selling jewelry? Are you selling shoes? Are you selling bicycles? Whatever. So I wanted to just see if we could go through some of those steps. So it is now installed. I'm just going to activate the WooCommerce plugin. And let's see if it takes us to another step. Here we go. Let's see, what have we got now? So here's the WooCommerce plugin. It looks like it's active. Just going to go into settings and see if there's anything there that we need to look at. So here's some general information about your company. I'm just going to look at products and see what it says there. Shop page is on shop. Yeah, that's fine. We don't need any of that. Don't particularly. You could probably fill in some of this general information. Like we'll just put in the school address. Come on. It jumps around like that. The United States, not the United Kingdom. So anyway, you get the idea. You can go through this and fill in this basic information about sell to all countries, sell to specific countries. I'm just going to do United States. I'm just going to sell to the United States. Enable tax calculations, sure. Enable use of, no, do you know what? Let's just leave that out. We don't want to overcomplicate things right now. Do you want it in British money or do you want it in US dollars or Fijian dollars? Let's do United US dollar, United States dollars right there. Currency will be to the left, needs a dollar size to the left, and all that kind of stuff. So I just set up a few basics there that the currency for when people want to buy from us is going to be in United States dollars, and we're just going to ship to companies in the United States. And I put in the store address and that kind of stuff. You'll change this to America. You'll just fill in. And I left taxes. I'm not going to bother about the taxes. We confirm on taxes. Checkout. I'm just going to leave that blank for now. We'll not worry about taxes. So that's kind of like some of the basic steps. So now when I go to, I'm going to refresh this. So now my page, because I installed the theme, which was, I changed it from a 2020 to a storefront theme. Now it looks like this. And when I installed the WordPress, sorry, when I installed the WooCommerce plugin, now you see I've got a shop, I've got my account, I got a checkout page, I got a cart, I got a home button. And these are what I would call administrative pages. We're going to have to build out this shop. We're going to have to add categories. We're going to have to add products. You'll delete that sample page for me. So there's no products or anything in here yet, but I'm going to show you how to do that. Get rid of this sample page. Leave this other administrative stuff there and add a blog, please. In fact, rather than get rid of this, maybe just change that to blog. So if you two ladies could do all that for me, please, that would be very helpful. I'm going to stop sharing, I'm going to stop recording and get this onto our website. Okay, Maddie, I'm going to try and get that onto our website. Where did my video go? Oh.